My name is Zahn Ta, and I work for Repo Products in Smyrna, Georgia. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and hold many certifications in multiple Autodesk products for the AEC industry. I hope you enjoy my screencasts. If you'd like to see more of my screencasts, please search for VAR 2015, that's VAR 2015, or my name. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you watch it. In today's screencast, we'll be taking a look at the conceptual massing environment and some of the additional tools when we're working with the Create Form button and creating and working with those actual forms. Here I am in the conceptual massing environment. I have the conceptual mass already created. As you notice, when you put your mouse over the object, it will want to pick either the edge, the vertice, or the face. If you don't left click and you hit the tab key once, it'll highlight the entire massing object, left click once, and now you have the entire mass object selected. When you do this, you will have a green contextual tab called Modify Form, and you have additional commands. For example, X-ray allows you to see through the actual mass object. You can click Add Profile and put your mouse inside and click wherever you want, and it will continue to build as many profiles as you need so you can work with it. You also have the ability to click Add Edge and add an edge to the faces. Now that you've done this, you can actually go in here and you can manipulate, for example, that edge, and you can pull that edge. And then you'll start to see how what you're building and why you're building, how things get shaped and adjusted just by picking and pulling on certain vertices, on certain edges, or even the faces of an object. If you hit tab several times in sequence, you have the ability to pick not just edges and vertices, but faces, and then you can start to do things like twisting the faces. Okay? And it gets very interesting when you start playing with this set of tools. If you need to turn the X-ray off, make sure you have the entire model selected and click X-ray. And now that model is turned, the X-ray feature is turned off. If you want to, you can pick a face and you can actually divide that surface up and use a pattern that's preset or none. So I'm going to use rhomboid, for example. And you can see how that is all set up and what it looks like. You can make adjustments to the spacing if you need to as well. Here we can say let's do it off of distance of being, I don't know, 12 feet. And say 6 feet. And now you can actually start to have patterning in your conceptual mass object. Thank you for watching my screencast on some enhanced features within the conceptual mass environment and how to work with and modify your mass object. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thanks again.